Lunar eclipses occur when the moon is in the opposite position of where it is located when a solar eclipse occurs. So lunar eclipses happen at night during a full moon, while solar eclipses happen during the day when we have a new moon. There are a lot more opportunities to see lunar eclipses than there are solar eclipses because everyone on the nighttime side of the Earth gets to see a lunar eclipse when it happens. A total lunar eclipse also lasts a lot longer than a total solar eclipse because the size of the Earth's shadow falling on the moon is comparatively much larger than the moon. During a solar eclipse, the moon's shadow, which blocks out the sun, is just about the exact same size as the sun, so totality is quite brief. In order for a lunar eclipse to occur, the moon must pass through the Earth's shadow. The shadow is made up of two cones. The outer cone is called the penumbra, and in the penumbra, only some of the light from the sun is blocked by the Earth. The inner cone is the umbra, which is the portion where all of the sun's light is blocked by the Earth. Penumbral lunar eclipses occur when the moon passes through the Earth's penumbral shadow. These types of eclipses are almost unnoticeable. And total lunar eclipses occur when the moon is completely obscured by the Earth's shadow. We can use the same scale model that we use to demonstrate a solar eclipse to show how a lunar eclipse occurs. Except for in this case, the Earth is actually going to be in between the sun and the moon, and the lunar eclipse is going to happen at nighttime. So it's daytime on this side of the Earth, and on this side of the Earth is nighttime, and the sun is shining on the Earth, and the Earth's shadow is actually falling on the moon. Lunar eclipses of some sort occur from 2 to 4 times per year. The reason we don't have a lunar eclipse every time there is a full moon is due to the fact that the moon does not orbit the Earth on the same plane as the Earth orbiting the sun. The moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees from the Earth's orbit around the sun, so those paths only cross a few times per year. Most of the time, the moon is slightly above or below the sun. In this demonstration, the distances are not to scale and the angle is exaggerated, but it makes it easier to visualize why eclipses do not occur every month. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon appears to be blood red. And that's because even though the Earth is blocking light from reaching the moon, some indirect light still shines on it. The sunlight that is able to reach the moon must first pass through the Earth's atmosphere, which refracts the light and scatters the blue wavelengths, leaving only the red and orange wavelengths to shine on the moon. If the Earth had no atmosphere, the moon would appear to be completely blacked out during totality. If there are a lot of particles in the Earth's atmosphere during the lunar eclipse, such as following a major volcanic eruption, the moon might appear to be nearly invisible. Lunar eclipses are easy to view. Unlike a solar eclipse where you have to have special equipment in order to see it, you can view a lunar eclipse with the naked eye. And a pair of binoculars really enhance your experience. So next time one of these special astronomical events occurs, take a chance to come out and observe a lunar eclipse.